What happens when you don't declutter? Your space starts to feel overwhelming. You might find it hard to relax, focus, or even find what you need. Clutter can add unnecessary stress to your daily life. It can make cleaning difficult and time-consuming, and it often leads to procrastination. The longer it piles up, the harder it becomes to tackle. Safety becomes a concern too. Clutter can create tripping hazards and even fire risks. Plus, all that stuff gathering dust isn't doing your health any favors. Did you know that clutter can also affect your health? Dust and allergens build up, which can lead to respiratory issues and allergies. Living in a cluttered space can impact your mental well-being, causing feelings of anxiety and depression. Clutter limits your living space. It encroaches on areas meant for relaxation, hobbies, or even work. This can stifle your creativity and productivity. Imagine wanting to start a new project but feeling overwhelmed by the mess around you. Now imagine a clutter-free space, a place where everything has its home and you can breathe easily. It's not just about tidiness, it's about creating a space where you can thrive. Clean, organized spaces promote peace of mind and a sense of accomplishment. But what if you don't have enough room to keep everything organized? That's where Arcos storage comes in. With secure, affordable storage solutions, you can keep your home clutter-free and your belongings safe. Arcos storage offers a variety of unit sizes to fit your needs, whether you're storing seasonal items, furniture, or important documents. Our facilities are clean, secure, and accessible, ensuring your peace of mind. Decluttering doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right support, you can transform your home into a sanctuary. Visit Arcos Storage at www.arcostorage.com for all your self-storage needs.